Omegle is a free online chat website that matches or pairs you up in one-on-ones with complete strangers. The online service was launched back in 2009. Omegle is a website or web application that needs no download or any installation in order to use. You don't even need to sign up for an account or register for anything. Omegle was created to bring random strangers together to talk. All you need is a PC, phone, or a tablet and go to the Omegle website. I will first tell you a little bit about the website and how to use it, but make sure to watch till the end to see examples of how to use the app in real time and learn why so many strangers are using it. On the home page, there is a disclaimer that in order to use Omegle, you must be at least 18 years or older. And as a safety precaution, you are also advised not to share any of your personal information. People may ask you where you're from or how old you are just to spark some conversation, but you are advised against sharing any of this personal information. There are two options that allow you to meet up with strangers on Omegle. The first way is to purely chat using only text, meaning you message back and forth. Upon first trying out the text option, it reminded me much of AIM or AOL Instant Messenger, back when that used to be a thing. The second way to chat with people or strangers on Omegle is by using the video chatting feature. You can directly enter into a chat to begin randomly finding and talking to strangers quickly. But there is also an option to enter in keywords as topics that interest you. By adding these keywords into the text box before entering a text or video chat, you'll be telling Omegle to find and match you with strangers that have similar interests. Let's now try the chat option with only text. Alright, so I'm chatting with the random stranger now. We both like vacations, so I'll say hello, and no one's answering. So in order to move on to the next person, you can press the stop button on the bottom left here, and then it asks you to confirm, really, yes. Okay, click it again, okay. And now you can look for someone new to chat with. So click new. All right, we both like YouTube. Okay, stranger says M. So he's basically just asking M or F. I'll type in M, and he'll probably go somewhere else. Okay, see? So stranger has disconnected, new chat. Let's go find someone else. Stranger is typing, hi. Hello. How are you? Oh. Okay, he wants to know M or F too. So, M. Okay, so he took off. Obviously these people are just looking for girls to pick up. So it looks like most of the users are males looking for females, and so they just, let's go find someone new. Okay, we both like YouTube. Oh, straight away to the topic of M or F. F? Oh, no, I'll say M. Okay, get going. Okay, good. All right, let's go to our new person. So we'll do a new chat. Over the course of the text-only chats, mainly people were asking M or F. So let's move on and see what the video chat is like. So a lot of times it will disconnect or it'll be loading and you'll have to stop and reload again. So Omegle is a really simple to use application. There's basically only two operations when you go into a video chat. You can either stop the feed and look for a new stranger, or you can text So the other person might not have a mic hooked up, so you can text to them and then hit the send button. Currently, right now, there are 51,000 plus people online now. Okay, so we've spent like 5 minutes online here. We've barely been matched with anyone. A lot of time spent loading infinitely, not finding anyone. Yeah, most people just skip through. Is person sleeping or something? I don't know. Yep. Yep. Okay. So this guy looks like he's at least 18. I've noticed a lot of people look like they're under 18. Yeah, this is really tiresome. Like, unless you have a real motive here, I wouldn't bother to keep looking for people to talk to, because most of the time it's just keeps loading and breaking. Okay, we both like fashion. You're gonna be finding. You're okay. That guy didn't have a camera. Hey, it's this guy again. Yeah. 56,000 people. I don't believe that there's 56,000 people online right now.
Hi, bro.
Hello.
What are you doing now?
Yeah, I mean, people aren't even paying attention.
Jackie Chan.
Oh. Yeah, I guess so. This is just more of a way to see people. Hey, this is the first person I've seen that actually looks like a girl.
You don't see like dicks, right?
लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं लाइफ में कुछ भी गलती कर लेना पर रील्स वाली के साथ शादी मत करना।
Hey, got a road mic. I think he's a YouTuber.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Sorry, Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.